Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. And here we are with a follow-up to the same problem that we worked on in the previous video, which is 7 2/7 minus 3 9/14. But in this case, we're going to use the Texas popcorn method to arrive at our same answer. Some students may find renaming the whole number method easier. Some may find this one easiest, the Texas popcorn method. And this is why I'm showing you, because at least you're given the opportunity to see which method is best for you. And so in this case, we'll go ahead and get started. What we can do is, since we already know that 14 will be our first common denominator, what we can do, we could just simply multiply the denominator times the whole number and then add the numerator. And we could do that in both cases. Multiply the denominator times the whole number and then add our numerator. And so in this case, we see it right here. We can see that we leave 14 in the denominator position, but what we're going to do, we're going to multiply that by 7 and then add 4 to it. And so when we do that, we'll get 102 over here. And likewise, for 3 9/14, we're going to multiply the 14 times the whole number 3 plus 9, and we'll get 51 over 14. Some of you may find this a little bit easier, and you're probably saying, well, Keith, and that's my first name, by the way, why didn't you show us this method to begin with? Well, I just wanted to show you an alternative method because both methods are reliable. They work very well. The reason why I showed you the other method, which was renaming the whole number, is that it works very well when your whole number is very large and you don't feel like multiplying and come up with a huge number. The Texas popcorn method works very well when your whole numbers are not very large. And that's why. And so all I'm saying is that when it comes to both methods, you will find both methods very useful. So let's go ahead and continue on. And so now when we subtract 51 from 102, we'll get 51 over 14 because we keep 14 in the denominator position. And so again, we can just go ahead and divide. We can say 51 divided by 14, which would be the problem right here. We will know that 14 times 3 will give us 42 with a remainder of 9. And so we have our whole number 3, which is right here. 14 always stays in the denominator position. And remember, remainders are leftovers, and they both serve as numerators. So you can kind of see that. So 9 is our remainder. Put that 9 in the numerator position. And so now again, we have 3 9/14, just like we did in our previous example. And it would be very good for you to learn both methods, because it is always good to become better at math using multiple methods to arrive at the same answer. Again, I may have given you a lot of information, and if you feel that way, please replay this video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook. And until next time, have a great day and goodbye.